Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize third-party chat integration into your live webinar. So if you don't feel like using the normal Q&A system that we have, you can integrate any chat program that has a third party, like an embed code. And so we recommend Livefyre. It's livefyre.com. It's free to set up. All you need to do is just create a free account and then go under products and then go under community comments. Okay. And then from here, you're going to click on get started. Okay. Then from there, you're going to click on custom, and I'm just going to put in the URL. Okay, this is just the development URL that we had here, but you can obviously you'll want to put in whatever URL that you're using for your webinar. And I'm going to click on step 2. Make sure this is clicked to custom. Step 2. And what it's going to do is going to provide you with the HTML and JavaScript that you need to put into Webinar Ignition. So I'm going to copy this exact code, and I'm going to go into Webinar Ignition. And instead of the simple Q&A, I'm going to use third-party service, and I'm going to copy in the chat code. So and then I'm going to click on save and update. And now when I go back to the live page and I refresh, there you go. So now you have the live comments here. You can actually see how many comments there are, how many people are actually on it. This is a test. So and then you can post a comment there. This is a really, really powerful tool, guys. If you are doing any type of selling, people, like if it's a really positive webinar and people are saying, you know, how awesome this is, it can really generate a lot of sales just from people talking about it and being a more of a transparent type of selling technique. So we've done this a number of times. It's also great for training webinars. If you have any type of like mastermind or coaching or students, it's great to get feedback from your students right here in a live thread. So it's a little bit of a different style, but it's a great feature to have, great flexibility. And we've done this for a number of our webinars, and we've had outstanding feedback from it. So it's very easy to integrate. And you don't need to use Livefyre if you don't want to. I think there's another one called Discuss. There may be other ones, but it can be any chat service that has an embed code that you can paste into here. So definitely give it a whirl and test it out with some webinars, because I think you guys are actually going to like the live chat almost better than the Q&A. So give it a whirl.